kids. This is Grammy Ramy. We have a whole bunch of blocks, and they have letters on them. Can you help me find the letters A, B, C, and D? Let's find the letter A. This is A. Next, we're going to find the letter B. Is this a B? No, that's a Z. Is this a B? Yes, this is a B. Now what comes after B? I think it's C. Oh no, there's no letter. That's not a C. Here it is, the letter C. What comes after C? It's D. Let's look for a D. Is this a D? No, that's an O. Is this a D? That's an R. What letter is this? It's a D. One more left to go. And it's the letter E. Oh no, that's not a letter, that's a number. Do you know what number it is? It's the number 3. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the letter E. Here it is. Is that an M or a W? But it's not the letter E, so we're going to put it back. And we found it. Is this the letter E? Yes, it is. So we have 5 letters, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, kids, let's take them away now. Grammy Ramy's going to hop in the truck and drive away with A, B, C, D, and E. Bye-bye, kids.